All right, cool. We are going to review February 21st, which was on a Tuesday. Monday was a holiday, so this is going to be Tuesday. So this is Friday, coming off of the support that was built on Monday. We had this sort of box up here. They try to poke out, come back in, and then we had another poke. This one, more separation. This was during the pre-market Monday, and then this was on Monday, so this is Tuesday here. So from the box, we had a rundown, trend down, come back up, come right back down. This is some type of like a FOBO. A FOBO off of trying to break this support right here. It breaks it right here and then pops right back up. Price FOBOs down. I like these shorts. See if we can continue downwards. And then right at the open, we have pressure down. We're breaking with this support here. So we're looking for shorts. Right at the open, you have this nice short right here on the backside of 40.50, breaking 40.50. See if we can go lower. The only thing to be cautious right here is maybe there's like a V shape. So to be cautious, there's a V shape. But we are looking to go down. See if we can get to 40.40. So we gave it a try once, and then so your stop should be about there. Somewhere behind this edge. So matter 2.75 stop. So we have one push down. We gave it one push down. We do have somewhat of a nasty reaction, kind of a little strong. So this right here might push. See if we can get. It might push and stop us out. Let's see if our stop holds. It's holding for a little bit. We're in maybe by a tick. At this point, if I can get it pushed down, then I'll be exiting for graceful. Maybe exited here. They took some heat. Okay. So we do have our low here. V-shaped. Struggling to get there. We have some type of frequency line or trend line that's giving us higher, low, higher, low. We get a higher high breaking these pivots. So see, and then we have the market coming back to retest what was support, now should be holding as resistance. So it does give us one more test for that. So we test. We have a pretty nasty reaction down. Comes right back up for one more time. And then couldn't go any further. Support is holding. And it goes right to our previous pivot. So we're looking for shorts. This is perfect short. We do have a strong run, breaking up pivots, a little bit of an extension. We have a shallow pullback, slowdown. So that short is viable to take with a stop. Maybe about a point and a half. See if we can tap 440 or probably possibly below. All right. the trade works. You're out right there. Always trade to your targets. So that is a clean, about 5 points. Comes right back. Comes back once it taps 440. It comes back pretty strong. So this is going to be our new low right here. So this is a pretty strong reaction with the slowdown, right? Still 40.50 under below 40.50. This short is a little dangerous. The only reason why is because we have this strong reaction. This could easily be a snap, popple, somebody call it popple, snap, crackle, pop. So it might want to pop up. So with the cautious short here, points. The only thing that's holding is 40.50. So if you put it behind 40.50, I think you'd be okay. Yeah, it's another working trade. And I'd probably get out the same spot for a quick 8 points there. If you're interested in another short, believing that we're going to break this, and we do. And then I also like some with this trade. Clean my chart. I thought I already cleaned it. So now we're in a confirmed downtrend. You know, we're only looking for shorts. After it kind of breaks this curve should have ended maybe it kind of wanted to extend there a little bit, but it didn't. It failed. So once it broke it, shorts are on the table. Like maybe a position here. Probably not. This one's probably too aggressive. This short right here is a little too aggressive, especially if you're not capitalizing on better prices. The better prices that were here, here, and here. So I do like this short here for maybe about 1.5 points above like this little edge. If it holds, okay. If not, whatever. You're already kind of already at the like the end, maybe at the cycle. You're trading a little later in the progression. Yeah, the reason why I have a short stop is because generally, if you're taking a short here, you're gonna need your stop above at least this pivot. So it's either don't take the trade or take the trade with a very small stop. See if you can hold some type of edge. 40. But no, it's fine. You get stopped out. And then, oops, I thought I took that off. Yeah, so I did trade. I did take this short. I don't know why it's showing it in sim. If this was taken in another account. So let me fix this real quick. No. Do not apply. Okay, so I did take a short here in my other account and I got out here for like about 7 points or something like that from what I remember. 8 points. Okay. Sorry about that. So I did take a short here. I got out here. I did like these Here at the deeper pullback trade, was able to capitalize on that. Another deeper pullback. This is okay. This is the better probably trade. You have a more of a slowdown. This one is similar to the feel of you have a strong retracement like this one, and get positioned here. But I do like this trade even more. With about a stop, maybe like a 3-point stop. Usually they're like 3 points. 3-point stop. It should hold. This one holds again, right to the bottom. We got another round number. So round numbers are great targets. So 430. Another trade for about 5.5. So now we have some type of support. Maybe it's turning into some type of box. Like this. You can go like this. You know, support. Finally breaks, and now it's acting as resistance. So back at resistance, yeah, this is a good trade. If you're just remember you are in some type of sideways right now, so just be cautious of that. Probably want to exit somewhere there. This trade probably failed. You probably didn't reach your target. I know I probably would have kind of stopped out. Maybe break even. So kind of have like the same feel. Feel it like this. Did it here and failed, so kind of doing it here, and I'm waiting for like the failure. It's kind of like the pattern to it, but it can also, these parabolic curves, you can start wanting to accelerate higher. You could probably go up to here or something if you wanted to, but that's the pattern I'm looking for. Is this failure curve failure? I do like this short right there for like the break. This reminds me sort of this trade a little bit right before kind of breaks. So it breaks. Yeah. So we do break. You do get the break of like that curve. Shorts. You want to short here. More and more down. Another nice trade. Right. Okay. So it breaks the support here. This support here gets broken, comes back, holds the back test. And when we're seeing lower prices, down. I do like this trade. Okay. So cautious. We are seeing these sharp Bs right here, which could be the W if you wanted it. So if you're taking shorts here, just be cautious. The market might have trying to find like a bottom already. Okay, more down, more pressure down. Like this short here. To break this and continue down lower, maybe all the way to 410. So 410 down here might be some type of target we're looking for. So if you're in this trade, now you're looking to get out maybe right here. So if you're in that one, probably get out here at the slowdown. There you see that it doesn't want to break these levels. So we're getting another, seems like we're getting another curve like this. And we are expecting it to break to continue the same pattern that it's been on. Another way you can look at this, maybe not the cleanest range extensions. Okay, so now we have that strong move. We're looking for the pullback to break this curve again. Somewhere here in this slowdown, after this strong run, strong push down, position here for that break, 410. Following this pattern here of having like, it almost feels like it's a soft landing or some type of curve, breaks, soft landing. We get that push down, breaks. We're getting another soft landing here. Get that strong push and then break. So just following that pattern. And we do get to our target here. So this trade is for about 8 points. Pretty good. We'll get this grindy, shallow pullback stuff after this deep pullback. See more and more down, more downside. We are right at this, like 4,000 is a mega round number, so maybe it's at the end of the trend here. All this downside all the way down to 4,000. Might be looking to correct a little bit, so just cautious on your short after a while. If you're looking for, you have a strong retracement, doesn't really break anything important. So if you're looking for short, if you were trying to short here, this is like a FOB. Just be cautious, Okay, so the market is sort of back testing these pivots that are left here. So some type of resistance is getting created. So we do have we're getting higher lows here. So cautious. Maybe you're gonna want to wait to break something first with a pullback to retest the bottom at the very least. Okay, so we somewhat get that. We somewhat kind of get that idea right there. With this strong breaking at least this level here. So if you were for short in this little box, all the way down here, good. Comes back to the deeper pullback, holds pretty much another higher low to this. Got a strong run up. Still can't seem to break this, so it won't buy just like in a sideways. This is the middle is here. So roughly the middle. So we're in some type of slowdown, sideways action here. So be careful taking any positions. If you do, do it at the extremes, not at the middle. So it seems like it's holding the middle here. We might be looking to break out Probably possibly go up to the 424, 422 area. Let's see if we get up to maybe this space up here, maybe 430. So resistance is still holding. We have this strong run at it, and it doesn't want to break it. Let's see what it does. Back to the middle where it's starting to build itself some type of ledge. If you're confident in this ledge, after this V right here, this V-ish price, if you're willing to take a long here, put a stop, maybe about 3 points. What is this? 1, 2, 3. Yep, 3 points. To see if we can go and break that. You probably stopped out if you didn't grab your graceful here. Definitely break even. Now back to the downside. Down to the downside. Okay, now we're getting back to having a curve. So, was this a good trade here? Yeah, I'd say it was a good trade. You know, I'd say this is a good trade. You know, you're at but it's kind of building the middle, right? You're building some type of support. You have a V, 50% back. See if we can go up higher. It just didn't. It just held that support. So that's why I say, you know, when you're in some type of sideways, take your exits, take your shorts, I don't know, at the extremes. And that's the end of that day. So pretty interesting day. This little curve here, this curve here, held an exponential up there. This frequency line here's now acting as resistance when it was acting as support. It broke, came back to it. Pre-market. And this is the 22nd, so Wednesday. Okay. And that is the breakdown for the 21st of February, Tuesday. All right, catch you guys in the next video.